Is it hard to create smart AI? AI is a machine or computer program that learns how to do tasks that requires forms of intelligences and are usually done by humans. Building machines to display human intelligence has turned out to be much harder than Alan Turing imagined. As Steve Ferber said, the reason we found it so difficult to build machines that display artificial human-like intelligences it's because we never really worked out what natural human intelligence is. We have very broad idea what we mean when we use the word, but we don't know how it works biologically and therefore is very difficult to replicate it in machines. Ferber's latest project, known as Spinnaker, spiking neural networking architecture, also known as the brain box. It is kind of computer that directly mimics human brain. Spinnaker is a massively parallel processing system designed to incorporate 1 million RM processors. Finished model will able to represent 1% of human brain's capability, or around 1 billion neurons. While usually a human brain has 86 billion. Why then not to create computer with 86 or 100 million RM processors to represent 100%? There are two types of AI, weak or narrow and strong or smart. Siri is a good example of narrow intelligence. Siri operates within a limited predefined range. There's no genuine intelligence, no self-awareness, no life despite being a sophisticated example of weak AI. Scientists have varying ideas of what kinds of tests a human-level intelligent machine needs to pass in order to be considered an operational example of strong intelligence. A few of the tests they have proposed are: 1. The Turing Test, machine's ability to identify human beings from other machines using just text language. 2. The coffee test, a machine is given the task of going into an average American home and figuring out how to make coffee. It is to find the coffee machine, find the coffee, add water, find a mug, and brew the coffee by pushing the proper buttons. 3. The robot college student test, a machine is given the task of enrolling in a university, taking and passing the same classes that humans would, and obtaining a degree. 4. The employment test, a machine is given the task of working an economically important job, and must perform as well or better than the level that humans perform within the same job. These are a few tests that cover a variety of qualities that a machine might need to have to be considered as strong AI, including the ability to reason and learn. Is it hard to create smart AI? Yes, it is. Or it's easy but we do not know how to.